How do recycling plants process thousands of plastic bottles and aluminum cans efficiently, and turn waste into profit? The answer is not manual sorting. And not traditional recycling methods. It is a fully automated industrial solution. First, the heavy-duty dual-shaft shredder breaks mixed waste into uniform flakes within seconds. This ensures stable size reduction for high-efficiency downstream processing. Then comes the key technology, eddy current separation. Using advanced magnetic induction, the system automatically separates materials by type. Aluminum is ejected in one direction. Plastic is discharged in another. No manual sorting. No contamination. Maximum efficiency. This system is designed for industrial recycling plants, municipal solid waste centers, and large-scale waste processing facilities. It significantly reduces labor costs while increasing processing capacity. For recycling business owners, this is more than equipment. It is a complete profit-driven recycling solution, turning waste streams into valuable reusable materials. If you are planning to build or upgrade your recycling plant, contact us for a customized solution and quotation. We provide full system design, installation support, and turnkey recycling solutions. Subscribe for more industrial recycling solutions.